Hello and welcome to another episode of Montgomery Micros. Today we're going to be trying to get my Macintosh Color Classic on the network because I'm going to be beta testing a software called MacinAI, which is something that's supposed to, I believe, relay to ChatGPT or something, but runs on the older 68K Macs so you can access artificial intelligence. So I said I would like to beta test it, but as I recall, it's not very easy getting this guy on the network. So I also need to probably find another intermediary Mac that will run an emulator because I've got to get the software on it with my Blue SCSI. Unfortunately, most of my modern Macs run Open Core Legacy Patcher, and the emulators don't seem to work on that. So I should have plenty of other stuff around the house though. So anyway, John's gonna come over and give me a hand. So let's go ahead and get started on it. Because the first step I gotta do is get an old wireless bridge back on my modern network, and then I'll connect to the Mac from that. I also might try my Mac IIfx upstairs. I've got a network card in it, but I don't think I ever had much luck with that. Anyway, let's get started. So this is the wireless bridge that I use. I've had this thing for probably 20 years now. I got it from a good buddy of mine, and it's actually supposed to be, it's a wireless print server and a wireless bridge. So it has served me very well over the years and continues to do so. So I'm going to go and connect it up to a computer, the Ethernet port, and try to go into its web interface and try to hook it back up. All right, let the configuration begin. Rupert, are you going to help? Yeah, I've got to go to my Ubiquity controller and re-enable my legacy network that I have to do when I do projects like this. So, well, I got my legacy network up and going. Unfortunately, I also noticed in the process that one of my access points in my house is no longer working. This guy right here is no longer seen by anything. I need to look up what that LED status is. But what we need right this second is running. Now let's see if I can get the Blue SCSI image updated. And DHCP is working over the wireless bridge. This makes me so happy. Does it make you happy too, Grace? Huh? Does it make you happy too? Okay, well, since we're on the network, the other requirement, other than 4 megs of RAM, which this has, is that Open Transport has to be, oh yeah, we got plenty of memory. Open Transport has to be enabled. And this went easier than I thought. Everything was already on here. Back in the 90s, I was not using Macintosh and System 7. I was using PCs, so this is not second nature to me. But it looks like this computer is set, and it's already ready. So when the MacinAI software arrives, we'll be set to do a video for it.
Are you excited too? Uh-oh.
Figured I'd play around a little bit, and I can't get, every time I try to open anything in Netscape version 1, it tries to select an application to open it with instead of downloading a page. I don't know why, but let's see what Microsoft Internet Explorer does. going to frogfind.com. Well, hey! It works. Let's check out those sweet, sweet activity lights. This makes me so happy. Okay, I think we are ready. Well, the time, I set the time right. I wonder why the time changed. I need to get a coin cell battery for this thing too, because I don't like having to reset the date, the time, and the slow mouse speed every time I turn this computer on. Well, I thought that was going to be a little harder and take a little longer, but it didn't. So now I've got to figure out what to do with the rest of my Saturday morning. So, as always, huge thanks to Bo Mac, and I hope you all enjoy the rest of your day. Stay safe out there.